Hello friends, in the Mendeley Reference Manager series, in this video we are going to talk about Mendeley Web Importer. Now Web Importer is a very important tool provided in Mendeley whereby any article available on any web source can straightaway directly be imported in your Mendeley library, as well as it automatically get added in your Mendeley Reference Manager desktop if both are sync. So how do we install Mendeley extension in your web browser? For that you need to have Mendeley desktop reference manager available. So we'll go to our desktop, and first of all we need to have Mendeley available on our desktop. So this is my Mendeley reference manager. So we go to our Mendeley reference manager on the desktop version, and this is what my Mendeley library available to me. If it is asking for the login, you need to log in. So after login, let me show you the pointer part here. This is an option called tool. Mendeley has this tool. So click on this tool option, and there's an option here, install Mendeley Web Importer. Install Mendeley Web Importer. Now this is a web importer which article available on the website can straightway be imported in your Mendeley. So click on this Mendeley Web Importer. It will straightway take you to the Mendeley website, and then there is a tab available, Mendeley Web Importer. Import papers, web pages, other document directly into your reference library from search engine and academic database. Mendeley Web Importer is available for all major web browsers. So depending on the web browser that you're using in, since I'm using Chrome, Mendeley is giving me an option for adding that in my Chrome. So get web importer for Chrome. So you click on this. It will take me to web store and Mendeley Web Importer. Now it is showing remove from the Chrome because I have already added. Okay, so if I have time being for the reference purpose, I am just removing it up so that we can add it up again. So it's uninstalled. So I am doing that exercise again. Add to Chrome. Okay, so I am adding to the Chrome. Say add extension. So if you click on this, extension get added. Now look at this. This is downloading that extension for my Chrome browser. Now look at this. Mendeley extension is already added here. So Mendeley Web Importer has been added to Chrome. So now my Mendeley Web Importer is added in the Chrome. Now how does it work? Let's, for the sake of reference, understand how it can be used. So suppose I'm working on a topic. So I'm doing a search on the article, and I'm searching for an article on, say, ssrn.com. So this is a public database. So I'm using that database for the reference purpose. So on SSRN, I'm looking for an article on demonetization. So I click on this. So I'm searching for an article, and then I got one article, black money and demonetizations. Okay, there's another article, history of demonetization case studies. So I thought, okay, this is a very good article. So I click on the article, and then I read an abstract. After reading an abstract, I decide whether I want to use this article in my research paper or not. Okay, if I want to use this article, okay, I open this article in my browser. So I'm opening my article in PDF browser. Now here I can pin it as an extension. Okay, now this is an article that is available to me. Now I don't want to download this entire article. This article details are already available here, but I want to use it. So rather than downloading and doing this entire process, what I do is I simply click on this Mendeley web importer. Look, Mendeley web importer has access to the site. So click on this and Mendeley will show you whether you want this article or not. Okay, so it will take you to Mendeley library and then the detail comes in. And if I click on this, add to Mendeley, this article is getting added in my Mendeley library. Look, this is added to Mendeley. Now, if I go to my Mendeley account, so let me check whether this article is there or not. So I go to Mendeley, I go to my Mendeley library, and if you check, this article is already added. So this article which was there on SSRN website is added to my Mendeley library account. And if I click on this article, okay, now this is a general article, add authors. Mendeley could not track the author because depending on the article, formation of article. So if some details are not extracted by the Mendeley, you can add it manually. So if author name is not added, you can add. So if I look at this, I go to know the name of the author, so I can copy author name and go to my Mendeley. In author's name, I can add the author. Add publication details, so I look at the article. If publication details are available in the article, I can add it. Okay. Incidentally, this article specifically is not giving any specific information about publication details. We are not having that publication detail available to us. But this article is now available in my Mendeley account. These two articles we added earlier. Okay, so whatever article, report, web page that you have can straightway be added in your Mendeley repository through this Mendeley web importer. So simply clicking on this and your article is there in the Mendeley web importers. This is how you can use Mendeley web importer for your research purpose. I'm sure you have understood this entire process. Thank you.